Good morning and welcome once again back to the office here at New Traditions Dulcimers and Ukuleles. My name is Dan Daniels. It is a very early and very cold morning here in Somerset, Indiana. I want to introduce to you number 249. This is another one of our January tenor ukuleles that we just finished here at New Traditions. This is solid mahogany. Mahogany neck, mahogany body, rosewood fingerboard, rosewood bridge, bone, nut and saddle, sealed tuners. Just great instruments. As I said in previous videos, we acquired this mahogany several years ago, just about 5 years ago, from a fella who has a mill up in Springfield, Oregon. And he had reclaimed this wood from old mahogany furniture, really old mahogany furniture. So this wood is really old. It was old when I got it, and I've had it for about 5 years. And it's got a lot of pop to it, a lot of bite. We were able to get the wood wide enough when we milled it to do single tops, single backs, single tops. And we also milled this as one piece side. So this is one piece of wood that goes all the way around. There's no end graft here. And it was just kind of fun, a fun thing to do. It sounds a little bit like this. I really like the chunky sound of a mahogany ukulele. There you go, ukulele number 249 from New Traditions. This is a standard ukulele. It ships with a case. These are our Gator cases. Excuse me while I bend over here. This is our Gator gig bag case. Gator is an Indiana company based out of Columbia City, Indiana. So we have partnered up with them for all of our cases for our ukuleles. It's a great case. We have gig bags for our lesser priced instruments and hard shell cases for our more expensive cases. But that's it. Number 249, New Traditions, a standard tenor. Beautiful, beautiful wood. I apologize for the darkness here. It's still early here, and we kind of plan on having light from the window here to help us out with these videos. But number 249, it'll be on our website soon. From the Aloha State of Indiana, Lord bless you guys.